This is Julie Manns, and this is the Unfinished Business Report for Friday, October 28th. We had 3 I tweeted out this morning. Subscribe to our tweets, then you got those. We had HRC. You can see that it did a nice follow through right off the open and throughout the rest of the day. We had 2 more. One in Man, which was gapped up and came on down pretty fast this morning. But on the pullback, you had some opportunity to the short side. And the last one that I tweeted out as a possibility was EW. You can see it was gapped down yesterday, and today it did follow through some more. Nice, long, steady progression all day long. So on my list for tomorrow, Friday, I'm going to be looking at ZTS. You can see it had a pretty much of a pause day today. It's very much a sideways movement. If you look at the daily chart here on the left, you can see that it's intra-bar from Wednesday's trading. And if we see some weakness, that one might follow through to the short side. Also going to look for follow through in CEB. This one made a nice move for us today on Adrian's plan, but it has broken through support on the daily chart, and you never know, sometimes they crash again the next day, so I'll have that at least on my list. I'm also going to put A back on the list. This is Agilent. This was a stock on Adrian's plan for Wednesday, and it really hasn't made it back up through the long bar that it made on Tuesday. So if it continues weakness through the end of today, I'm going to have that on the list for breaking through tomorrow. It's having a hard heading higher. RAI is another one we had today that really did work well for us, but as you can see, it was a gap up that couldn't hold that very well. They are holding the bottom line. However, I'll have it on my short list for tomorrow if we see weakness, because there's a long, nice gap for it to fill in here. Same with BHI. Although it really has touched previous highs, there still is some range to go before it reaches what is now becoming resistance and support. So I think that's enough to pile on for a Friday. I hope everyone had a great trading today and has a great trading day tomorrow. Join us for the webinar on Saturday. Go to traderinsight.com/events and register. It's a free webinar and has some free goodies that go along with it, and great education from both Adrian on the stocks and Tim Bigham on the options.